A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, me there wonder if them didn't know, some did go kill Jesus. What make them did have to beat him first? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, me going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 15. Early in the morning, after the head priest them, the elder them, law teacher, and the other Jew leader them, make them plan. Them tie up Jesus and lead him away, go turn him over to Pilate. So Pilate asked him, say, you are the Jew them king? Jesus answered him, say, are you say so? Then the leader for the priest them start say all sort of sitting against him. So Pilate asked him again, say, you hear how much bad sitting then say you do. Listen, you not hear all the terrible sitting them with them say against you. But Jesus still never say a word. And that one day, lick Pilate for 6. Every Passover holiday, Pilate would have free one prisoner. Anyone where the people them ask for. Now, one man named Barabbas and some other criminal did in a prison for murder after then did rile up the people against the government. Then the crowd of people come to Pilate and start begging him for free one prisoner for them, like him always do. So him ask them say, uno want me lego the Jew them king you know? Cause him know say the leader for the priest them did turn him over to him sake a bad mind. But the head priest them rile up the crowd for ask Pilate to let go Barabbas. So Pilate asked them again, say, then what you want me to do with the one we no call the Jew them king? Them ball out say, kill him pon the cross. Pilate asked them, say, what make? What him do wrong? But them ball out loud, kill him pon the cross. Pilate did want to make the crowd of people happy. So him let go Barabbas. Then he make the soldier them beat Jesus. After that, him turn him over to them for them kill him on the cross. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.